Juliana, you're making me really nervous right now. Juliana, you're making me so nervous. Honey. Oh, goodness. Oops. Juliana, if you wanted to get down, how would you get down safely? Can you show Mama how you get down safely? Juliana. Okay. How do you get down safely? Do you know? Can you show Mama? Good girl. Yeah, that's how you get down. Good girl. You can go back up if you want. Honey, don't pull that string. Honey, you're going to break it. Don't do that, please. Juliana. Juliana. No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh, shit. Honey, you're going to unravel your name.